Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what's the best way to keep rats out of my attic? The thought of rats scurrying around above you in the middle of the night is not a comforting thought. And once rats move in your attic, they can be a stubborn and dangerous pest to have around. Luckily, there are some simple things that you can do to keep rats from shacking up in your attic. First, inspect the exterior roofing and inside the attic for potential entry points. Remember, rats can squeeze through an opening the size of a quarter, so seal up any holes that you may find along the interior of eaves, around vents, or other utility penetrations. And make sure that all of the vents are properly screened in. Next, walk around your house and make sure there are no easy path lines to your roof. This would be tree limbs or power lines. If there's anything touching your roof, do your best to remove it or push it back. If it belongs to a utility company, call the utility company and have them come remove it. These are some simple tricks that will help you keep rats out of your attic. Now, if you're still hearing things in your attic and there's no sign of rodent activity, then consider calling a priest. Maybe they can help drive out any lingering spirits. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. I don't know what it is. Some sentences are just difficult, man. I don't know what it is, dude. But I can say people, woman, camera. People, woman, what is it? People, woman, man, camera, TV. Those 5 things I can remember.